Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video, we're going to study about the verb and adjective that are the part of speech. So there are basically 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We have already studied about noun and pronoun. Now we will discuss about verb and adjective. Verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. It is the main component of a sentence. Without a verb, there is no sentence. For example, to eat, to drive, to play. These all are actions and these are verbs. There are two types of verb: main verb and auxiliary verb. Main verb. A main verb is the primary verb in a sentence that expresses the action or the state of being of the subject. It is also known as lexical verb as it provides the main meaning of the sentence. For example, he writes a letter. In this sentence, write is the main verb because it conveys the main meaning to the sentence. Auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb is also known as helping verb or supporting verb. There are three primary auxiliary verbs. These are be, do, have. Be has different form that are am, is, or, was, were, being, been. Do has different form: do, does, did, doing, done. And have has different form: has, have, had, and having. All these forms are used when we are going to study the tenses. So now there is a sentence that is, she is driving a car. So in this sentence, is auxiliary verb and drive is the main verb. There are different forms of verb: first form of verb, second form of verb, third form of verb. First form of verb is the most basic form of verb to show action. For example, to walk, to sing, to eat, and to play. The second form of verb is used to indicate that an action took place in the past, meaning by the action has happened already. For example, he walked, he played. Third form of verb is used with auxiliary verbs to indicate other verb tenses. For example, present perfect and the past perfect tenses. Like he has walked slowly or she has sung beautifully. So there are different regular verbs like play, played, played, use, used, used, work, worked, worked. We usually use ed with regular verbs. These are the irregular verbs because we don't use ed with them. They have their own unique form, second and third. So eat, ate, eaten, run, rain, run, write, wrote, written. Adjective. Adjective are the fourth part of speech. These are words that describe or modify noun. They can provide information about size, color, or origin of noun. The order of objective. The order of objective is that we first tell the quality of noun, then size, shape, age, color, origin, material, and then purpose. For instance, he reads interesting short Mexican stories. So in this sentence, interesting is quality, short is size, Mexican is origin. Now there is a sentence that is, it was raining yesterday. So you need to tell me the verb class of was and rain. There is another example that is, she cooked delicious food. So in this sentence, you need to tell me the verb class of delicious. Hope so you like this video. Thank you.